Hi everyone, in this video, I will mention 10 common problems that BMW E46 vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The plastic components of the window regulators in many of these vehicles tend to break over time, causing the affected window not to roll up. Replacing the damaged window regulator with a new one solves the problem. Number 2. The seals of the vanos variable valve timing components tend to wear out over time, causing the engine to suffer hesitation under acceleration and lack of power due to incorrect valve timing. And in extreme cases, the pistons of the vanos system can make rattling noises due to the worn seals and bearings. Several companies make rebuild kits similar to the one shown on the screen that restores the normal operation of the vanos variable valve timing system. Number 3. The valve cover gasket tends to harden over time, causing oil leaks. Replacing the old valve cover gasket with a new one solves the problem. Number 4. The water pump in some of these vehicles with 6-cylinder engines is prone to develop coolant leaks at low mileage and needs to be replaced. Number 5. The heater blower motor in some of these vehicles is prone to become noisy over time and needs to be replaced. Number 6. The rubber bushings of the front suspension lower control arms tend to disintegrate over time, causing suspension noises, alignment problems, and uneven tire wear. It is recommended to replace the OEM rubber bushings with high-quality polyurethane replacements, similar to the sets shown on the screen. Number 7. The wheel bearings in some of these vehicles are prone to become noisy at low mileage and need to be replaced. Number 8. The AC compressor in some of these vehicles is prone to experience premature failure, causing the air conditioning system not to blow cold air. Number 9. The driveline rubber flex discs tend to tear over time, causing clunking noises when placing the automatic transmission in gear and when taken off from a complete stop. Plus, they also cause driveline vibration. The company RevShift makes the high-quality aluminum replacement with polyurethane inserts shown on the screen that outlast the OEM flex disc couplers. Number 10. The heater valve in some of these vehicles tends to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing the heater not to blow hot air. Replacing the bad heater valve with a new one solves the problem. Those are 10 common problems that BMW E46 vehicles are prone to experience.